this is Ukrainian borscht. So here in this market, you can order food and you can eat right here. Oh, yeah. And this is khachapuri. This is Gruzian food, right?
Georgian, yeah.
Georgian food, yeah.
From the country, not the state. It says hello.
Hello.
So it's got eggs, cheese, and greens.
Garlic.
Garlic, dill, some onions,
Yeah.
and looks very delicious.
And for this all meal in the market, we pay for two of us, 27 euros. Is this affordable?
A little bit on the expensive side, but worth the experience.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
So whoop 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 whoop. Whoop 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 whoop. What? Okay, so this is apparently the best ice cream in the world and in Latvia. So what is this? Molberts. And what flavor did you get?
Cherry with chocolate.
Cherry with chocolate. And I got Roman raisins. And believe you me, guys, this is the best ice cream we have ever had. Definitely recommend if you are in Riga, if you are in Latvia, find the Molberts, eat Molberts. How good is it? Is it really good? Are you addicted? This should be illegal. Yeah.
Okay, so we are here in the market in our favorite bar.
It's called Marmelade Bar.
Yeah, Marmalada.
Marmalade.
It's very interesting name. And we are drinking Riga original black balsam. Black, right?
Black balsam.
Yeah.
Used to be a cure for tuberculosis. Now it's cure for being sober. And you can still fix tuberculosis with it.
Very strong and very tasty.
44% alcohol, I believe. Tastes like cough medicine. It's amazing. We love it. Not everybody likes it, but we love it. Hello, who's that?
My Swiss friend.
Swiss or Swedish?
Swedish.
Hello, Swede.
3.90.
Oh, very cheap for Sweden. My wife thinks I'm weird because I play with this little plush dog, but I have a little secret. They can't catch you if your bottle is a dog. What we are eating here is, are you recording? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is apparently traditional Latvian food: herring, onion, and curded and cheese curds. And it looks amazing. How do you make this?
Just herring, cottage cheese, and onions.
You don't bake it?
Marinated.
No, it's marinated.
Okay.
But you need to
herring,
eat like this,
cheese,
right?
Yeah, you need to combine them all together.
onion. There we go. Mmm.
Let's try.
Oh my god. So much texture. This is amazing. So pickled herring, cottage cheese or cheese curds,
With sour cream and a little bit salt.
and a little bit of salt and onions.
This is very tasty.
They're refreshing.